Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me tonight for another video. Guys, I'm so glad you can be here with me. I've started trading back on the 1 minute time frame and I was making you a video. However, I did not have my headset plugged in, so when I went back to listen to the video, it had no sound. So I have to review what it was that I've done in the video. This is the Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame, and I initially entered with the break and close above the 50 period SMA. I got to the point where I was following it along the 1 minute time frame, trying to close out at least at break even, and you can see this candle came back down and took out my hard stop. So I had to re-enter the market here, and so far the trade is working out very well. This is my hard stop currently. This is where my soft stop is. Let's take a look at this on the 5 minute time frame as well. And this is from the previous video, so we'll have to kind of start over. But if you did the break and close above the 10 period SMA on the 5 minute time frame, then you'll see, and this is our moving stop loss, you'll see that you did not come back to break and close below this entry candle. This is what I was using to identify the candles earlier. So as you're moving along on the 5 minute time frame, you are moving your stop losses below the next big pink candle until eventually you get to the point where you get stopped out. And you can see how well this trade is flowing for you. I don't know if you did note, but you can see that you have a whole lot less false signals on the 5 minute time frame than you do on the 1 minute time frame. Also, when we get to the 15 minute time frame, you'll notice that you have even fewer false signals. Now, when you are trading the larger time frame, there's really no real difference between this soft stop and that one. So we'll move along there. And we'll continue to move our stop loss at this point. Now once this candle closes, if it closes in a big bullish fashion, which I hope it will, then we can go ahead and move that soft stop along there. Now this on the 15 minute time frame, look at how heavenly that trade looks. It's the exact same principle as on the 5 minute time frame. You can see once you got the break and close above that 10 period SMA, you can move your stop along the big pink candles until you've gotten to this point. Now the blue line was from the other video that I screwed up. But guys, what I want to tell you is that no matter which time frame you trade, you have to have the ability to wait for the proper trade setup. And if you enter a trade that does not work out the way you think it should, it doesn't mean that you're wrong. It just means that the trade didn't go the way that you thought it should go for a number of reasons, most of which we have absolutely no control over whatsoever. And it looks like I'm about to take a hit on my soft stop. I'm thinking that it's about time for me to tighten that up. Sorry, I got a little bit distracted. But you must wait for a proper trade setup. And even after you wait, it can still go wrong. So know that any trade can go wrong. Also, no matter which time frame you choose to trade, you must trade your plan with absolute discipline if you are going to succeed in this market. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific, loving, pip filled week.